I can understand your frustration. You may think that you're going to be bound to a condo based on where prices still are. But guess what, guys? I have some amazing news for you, because today I am at 1873 Liatris Drive in Pickering. What we have here for you is a freehold townhouse with 3 really nice sized bedrooms, 2 full washrooms, and even a powder room on the main floor that has an open concept living. Not only that, but we have some awesome exterior features like this interlocking and a really nice sized backyard. Why don't you guys go around, take a look, and I would love to know what you guys think.